To customize the RI countdown timer number 5 section in your Shopify theme, go to Edit Code, then click Customize Theme. Add the section from the list. Start by entering a title and subtext. Adjust their colors and font sizes for both desktop and mobile. Set background and text colors to match your brand and customize divider and countdown timer colors for a refined look. You can enable or disable the timer, set the end date, and adjust its size and font styling for all devices. Ideal for flash sales, launches, or promotions that need urgency to boost conversions. You can also apply custom spacing by adjusting the padding and margins to perfectly position the section within your layout. For more impact, add animation effects or entrance transitions to make the timer appear dynamically on scroll. The section supports full-width layouts, making it stand out prominently across the page. You can toggle visibility for mobile or desktop devices, allowing better control over user experience. If your promotion is recurring, simply update the end date without needing to recreate the section. Overall, this countdown timer is a powerful tool to create urgency and elevate engagement.